So, we all need to know how to flip our furniture faster, right? Yeah, in this kind of business, in this kind of side business, it's way too easy to get stuck in one of the three areas: find, fix, and flip. Okay, somewhere in there we can easily get stuck. So we need to know how to flip our furniture faster. Hi, I'm Georgia, the dresser fixer-upper, and I'm here to help you sell your flipped furniture faster so that you can reach those four-figure flipping months on repeat. So there are three things that are really valuable to know when you are ready to flip your furniture faster. A lot of times people don't think about these things. They don't really even know. And so this is going to help you get in that frame of mind and understand how you can get to flipping faster and selling faster. So the first thing you need to know that most flippers don't realize is you don't always have to paint. Okay, so there are much faster ways that you can get that piece and get it ready and make it look beautiful and ready to sell. Now, you can use this creative way of thinking with painting as well, but you don't always have to paint. It seems like what's happening out there is people are looking on YouTube a lot. That's why I'm here to help you. And they are running into a lot of really cool pieces, like works of art. I mean, for real. Painted furniture, and yeah, there's a beauty and a draw to it. But when you're first starting out, you need to get your feet wet, if you will. You need to maybe ease into the whole process. And so even with painting, you can come upon a piece and take a look at it and say, wonder if I could just paint the top, or create a frame and the top with some paint. Or you can really just begin with something that I specialize in, and that is quick cosmetic restoration. So I'm always trying to restore a piece to its former glory. I love all kinds of different kinds of woods and really bringing it back to its former glory, really. So you can see this piece here. It's pretty shiny here. And, when I first got it, the finish was pretty worn. The drawers were fine, but a lot of times, it's the top of dressers that need help. So, just remember that when you get a piece, you don't always have to paint it. There are lots of other creative, inventive ways to shorten down your fixing time so that you can get your flipped furniture sold faster. Say that 5 times fast, right? The second thing you need to know for faster furniture flipping has to do with DIY. Do it yourself. Yes, yes, yes. We are all do-it-yourselfers in this furniture flipping industry, right? Right. And I think a lot of us feel pretty proud about that. It's like a badge of honor. But what you don't realize is it really, really slows things down. I mean, I started this 7-8 years ago now, and it was because I was in a really bad relationship for decades, a really bad marriage, and a lot of control in the money area. I was even too sick to drive. I have this story of my son. I was teaching him to drive. He had his learner's permit. And he would drive me around to the different Goodwills and secondhand stores, and that's how I would find my dressers, So I'm very much, my superpower is where there's a will, there is a way. We will find a way. That inventor in me is like, I got to do it, right? I think the inventor in me could come from Ben Franklin is my 7 times great grandfather. So I've got a strong inventor in me. And that's why I've created so many, and I'm constantly creating ways to get better and faster and more efficient at this quick cosmetic restoration. So I always say that DIY spells do it yawning. Okay, yawning. And I say that because when you think of someone yawning, you think of slow, and that is what DIY is. It is slow. And believe me, I know this from absolute total experience. In that really tough situation I was in, I had to improvise, adapt, and overcome. I had to cut corners and find ways and try to learn it all on my own. I'm just telling you now, get out of that as quickly as possible. You want to invest so that you can learn faster. And that is really the key to flipping your furniture faster, is finding those of us who can help you, give you the tools that you need, especially in the marketing area. This is a huge problem right now with flippers. They've been relying on Marketplace for so long, and things have changed drastically on that platform. It is a garage sale site. So these beautiful wood pieces, these beautifully painted artistic artwork pieces cannot sell for what they're truly worth. You should be selling them upwards of $500, $1,000, but you can't really do that. It is a struggle on Marketplace to do that, okay? So you've got to get into not trying to DIY your sales system. Get the help you need. That's exactly what I did. I saw very quickly that I could not keep up this DIY road that I was on. I was kicking through the DIY desert. I was in a desert. And I quickly realized that as I was flipping and cash was coming in, I was going to have to reinvest it into people that I was following, that I trusted could get me results in the sales and the marketing area. That is why I'm here today. Okay, I am not here today knowing all that I do about Facebook business pages, Facebook ads, all of these things, all of the systems that I have set up in Dresser Fixer Upper. It's not here because I DIY'd it. It is here because I invested in someone that helped me build these systems and create this business. And you want that too for your flipping. You can't have those 4-figure months on repeat until you up-level your marketing and sales system. If you're struggling in this area to hit those 4-figure months, you need someone to help you go a whole lot faster, learn what you need to learn so you can flip your furniture faster. Okay, number 3, one of these things that you need to know about flipping your furniture faster. Just focusing on the fixing, on the newest painting technique or how to paint it, just focusing on that and hoping it sells is not a strategy. You are going to be so frustrated. You don't want to rely just on Marketplace. And if you've been doing okay on Marketplace, you definitely want to up-level and expand your sales system, because you could save time and go so much further and make so much more money if you would upscale and up-level your sales system. Now, the very first way you want to do this is to get your Facebook business page started, because from that page, you're going to be able to run Facebook ads that are going to go out and reach millions of more buyers that will get eyes on your beautiful pieces posted on your page. Facebook ads are like the gold standard for really reaching the buyers that you want, to get out there beyond Marketplace and reach out to those other kinds of people that are searching for pieces. Now, people will come to Marketplace, but you want to reach those buyers that sometimes they might be on Marketplace, sometimes not, but they're the types that are looking for your custom pieces or the nicer wood restored pieces. You want to get your pieces in front of their eyes. And the way that you do that is using Facebook ads running off of your Facebook business page. Now, this business page is not your personal profile. In fact, Facebook will frown a lot of times on you using your profile for business. So you want to separate out your profile and just create that Facebook business page and have your business running over there. You can tell people on your profile about your page, but that really is the best way, and it's the only way to run these beautiful, amazing Facebook ads that are going to reach those buyers that are beyond the garage sale marketplace. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to cover my faster furniture flip setup. I'm going to show you the tools I use. A lot of times I will have my mask hanging here in the background because I think it's one of the most important tools that I use. But join me in my next video because I'm going to show you all the things that I use, the basic tools that you can first get a hold of so that you can start your own quick cosmetic restoring of pieces. And if you want to paint, move into the painting as well, but get your feet wet and get started and know what kind of supplies that you need. So I will see you in that next video, my faster furniture flip setup.